Departure Frontier Flight 1723 is with you. We are 3000 climbing via the QQ1.
Frontier Flight 1723, Phoenix departure, reconnaissance, take climb maintain level 210.
Climb and maintain 210, Frontier Flight 1723. Tower Frontier Flight 1723, we need to go straight at a 260 heading.
Frontier Flight 1723, Roger, fly present heading. Do you want to stop at a lower altitude?
Yes, we'd like to stop at a lower altitude.
Frontier Flight 1723, Roger, command altitude, maintain 6,000. If you need higher or lower, advise.
Maintain 6,000, Frontier Flight 1723, and we are declaring an emergency. We just had an engine failure.
Frontier Flight 1723, clear to Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, Roger. VF fly heading, turn right heading 350, vectors runway 26. Altitude your discretion, advise.
Alright, right turn 350, altitude's our discretion, and we're clear back to Phoenix, runway 26. We'll just need a few minutes to run some checklists.
Frontier Flight 1723, Roger, thank you. And what altitude are you going to stop at?
Let's stop at 5,000.
Frontier Flight 1723, amend altitude, maintain 5,000.
5,000, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, turn right heading 050, advise when you're ready to return Sky Harbor.
Advise, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, turn right heading 080.
Right turn heading 080, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, fighting 080, advise when you're able to answer a few questions. I stepped on you there.
Roger, stand by one on those questions, please.
Perfect.
And Phoenix, go ahead with those questions, Frontier Flight 1723.
Number 44 Lima, stand by. And who was the last other than 44 Lima?
Frontier Flight 1723, go ahead with those questions.
Frontier Flight 1723, say souls on board, fuel remaining and time.
191 souls on board, 21,500 pounds of fuel. What was the third question?
Frontier Flight 1723, the fuel and time. I got 21,500, thank you. And which engine is it, left or right?
Left engine, and we have 4 hours of fuel. Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, any restrictions to turns?
Negative. Prefer to turn right. Yeah, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, Roger. We'll keep that right turns all the way in. Expect visual approach runway 26. Advise when you're ready to return to the field.
Roger, we'll expect a visual to 26, stand by 1, Frontier Flight 1723.
Thank you. Frontier Flight 1723, contact approach 126.6. They're aware of your situation. Advise when you're ready to turn base.
Can I get that again, Frontier Flight 1723?
Frontier Flight 1723, affirmative 126.6.
1266, thanks, Frontier Flight 1723. Phoenix approach, Frontier Flight 1723, 5,000, heading 080.
Frontier Flight 1723, Phoenix approach, Roger, and just for my planning purposes, about how many miles before you want to turn in?
We need probably 5 minutes at the most, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, Roger. Frontier Flight 1723, speed is your discretion.
Roger, speed our discretion, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, in order to keep you at 5,000 as long as possible for those 5 minutes, flight heading 060, please.
060, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, turn an additional 10 degrees left.
Additional 10 left, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, turn an additional 15 degrees right. I'll have a turn southbound for you here in a second.
15 right, Frontier Flight 1723.
I'm sorry, 15 left for Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, flighting 160.
160, Frontier Flight 1723.
And Frontier Flight 1723, about how much longer till you can accept a turn on to final?
120 seconds, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, roger. Frontier Flight 1723, expect to cross through final and then have a turn toward final from the south side.
That's perfect for us. Thank you so much, Frontier Flight 1723.
No problem, you're welcome. And to set that up better, just fly heading 190.
190, Frontier Flight 1723, thanks.
You're welcome. Frontier Flight 1723, turn right heading 290, intercept final approach course for runway 26.
All right, right turn heading 290, intercept final approach course, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, Sky Harbor will be 11 o'clock in about 17 miles, just report in sight.
Sky Harbor's in sight, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, roger, I'll have your clearance here in just a second.
Roger, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723 on the heading of 290, cleared visual approach runway 26.
On the heading of 290, cleared visual approach runway 26, Frontier Flight 1723.
Frontier Flight 1723, contact Phoenix Tower on 134.85. You have a great day.
3485, Frontier Flight 1723. Tower, Frontier Flight 1723, emergency aircraft, inbound visual 26.
Frontier Flight 1723, Phoenix Tower, runway 26, cleared to land. Fire commands on the frequency. They're able to receive and transmit you. Frontier Flight 1723, Phoenix Tower, runway 26, cleared to land, wind 220 at 7. Fire commands on frequency. They're able to receive you and transmit to you if you want to talk to them. Frontier 1723, okay, left Bravo 6, left onto Bravo, just hold position there and you can talk to Fire Command.